Nangin mainit ang ikatatlong nga adlaw sang impeachment trial batok kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Matapos nga sa una palang nga bahin, ginpamatukan na ni Private Prosecutor Attorney Amando Ligutan ang estilo sang cross-examination ni Defense Counsel Attorney Carlo Navasa. Nagpabutyag sang pagpamatok si Ligutan sang ginpamangkot ni Narvasa ang testigo nga si NBI Senior Agent John Mark Calilong angol sa investigation affidavit sa kaso sang grave threats batok sa Vice Presidente nga wala anay ginpakita ang kopya sini. Ginpanindugan ni Ligutan nga hindi makasabat sang insakto ang witness kung hindi niya makita ang affidavit nga ginatumod sang depensa samtang nagapadayon ang cross-examination. Natalupang da naman ni Presiding Officer o Francis Cheese Escudero ang maathag nga pagkadismaya ni Ligutan apang nagsabat ini nga I'm very patient, Your Honor, antes ginpadayon ang hearing.
Sir, my questions are answerable by yes or a no. Can you please constrain yourself to these questions, unless I tell you, okay?
Objection to that, Your Honor, please.
And you got this training from...
Before counsel for respondent proceeds, counsel for the prosecutor to let the presiding officer recognize the first. You're so recognized, sir. What is your objection?
Thank you so much. Inasmuch as I would like to accommodate the defense that in asking the question that the witness is to be limited to a yes or no question, Your Honor, please. Unfortunately, Your Honor, please, that's not sanctioned in the rules. There's nothing in our rules that would allow a defense to constrain a witness, even on cross-examination, to answer the questions by a yes or no answer. It's not in the rules. So, Your Honor, please, we cannot constrain a witness to answering either a yes or a no. The witness should be able to qualify. The usual answer by the defense is that it could be handled by the prosecution on redirect. But that is not the case, Your Honor, please. So long as there is nothing in the rules that would allow the defense to constrain the witness to answer yes or no, the prosecution will vehemently object to that, Your Honor.